Hi there folks, it's Jonathan Denwood from WP-Tonic, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the benefits of gamification of your membership website. It can really make your membership course and lessons more engaging, provide a better experience. I've got some of the key things you've got to understand about gamification and some great WordPress plugins or SaaS services that can help you gamify your membership website. I'm going for a break. I'll be back in a few moments. Coming back, folks, going to be talking about gamification. It can, if it is utilized well and effectively, really make your lessons, your courses more engaging, providing a better experience to your students. So what are some of the key principles you've got to understand? Well, there's about 2 to 3 main ways that you can gamify your course. That number one is utilizing quizzes and having a competition between your students and having the quiz results being shown in a public area where your membership will log in and the scores can be available. Obviously, you could overdo this, but on the other hand, finding the right balance does provide feedback and excitement. Another way is to utilize tokens and a score ranking system around time and percentage of answers and progression through certain elements of the course. That really encourages competition, which, if controlled, isn't bad, but like I said previously, it can be overdone. You've got to find the right balance. Linking some of these core principles in a more community-focused membership website with a forum where the scores and some level of friendly competition can be fostered is another way of really putting gamification slightly on steroids. A great solution is to combine your learning management system, which is the 2 leaders, the Tutor LMS and LearnDash, combining either one of those with BuddyBoss, which is the premier WordPress community-based platform with forums, all other methodologies that allow your student body to really engage in conversation and sharing their learning experience. So I wanted to make a quick video here. I didn't want it to go too long. I've written a great article. You find the link in the description of this video. I list in that piece, I list some of the best WordPress plugin solutions to gamify your course. Also some SaaS products that you can also utilize to gamify. You find all that in the article I've written. Hopefully I've put some thoughts in your mind around how to gamify your membership website. Like I say, I've written this article. Also, there's a number of other articles on the WP-Tonic website all about this. It's a great resource, so go and have a look at that, and it should put you really in the picture. If you found this video helpful, and hopefully you did, can you do us a favor? Can you subscribe to the channel? It's one of the main ways that YouTube really gauges if I'm producing content that you're finding useful. Hopefully you are, so if you could do that. And if you're feeling generous and you do that, also hit the bell, and then you'll be notified when I put the next video up. I produce a lot of video every week around membership, around building community, all different subjects. you'll find it all really useful. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.